we are still grappling with the AIDS epidemic in Uganda. Uganda was a success story in the late 90s, but the story has since changed. As of 2011, 8 people out of 100 are living with HIV in Uganda. Stigma is very real. It is seen through property rights. It is strengthened by gender inequality. It is seen through laws that criminalize people living with HIV. It's a public health issue, but it needs to be addressed as a human rights issue. Until you place a human person in the center of the epidemic, recognize their dignity, then dealing with the epidemic was going to be very difficult.
When I go in the community, the first thing is I say, people, we are brothers and sisters. I'm also living with HIV, like you here. I've come here so that we can settle a few things. Please, if you need advice, don't fear asking me because I'm part of you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Because of a high spread of HIV and AIDS, there's a lot of violence within the families. There's a lot of divorce, and there's a lot of acts that are abusive against the human rights.
And that's why UGANET comes in. UGANET is Uganda Network on Law.
Our community is not aware of the dangers and of the issues as far as legal services stand. Some of these issues may be about land, about domestic violence, or about succession planning. As a paralegal, somebody who has the basics of law, to empower them with how to seek for their rights. Paralegals are picked within the community. The majority of them, they are living with HIV. They are staying with these people day and night. We are a road that links the community to the voices that are going to help them have their problems answered.
For so many reasons, HIV is very closely related to poverty. It's the poor that are sick and that cannot afford to pay for a doctor for medical service, to pay for a doctor for legal services.
Is that right? Oh.
Yeah, it is right, and that's what we call power of attorney.
Okay.
Yeah, now power of attorney comes in.
Doctor lawyers are our lawyers, a treatment center, a complementary service to the medical work. They can find a doctor in room A for their medical needs, and they can find a doctor in room B for their legal needs. The client goes with his medication, but also that issue that has been stressing him finds a very ready answer of a supportive lawyer that knows challenge around HIV and AIDS, willing to say, I'll walk with you to court, I'll walk with you to the police, I will write to you this letter. The patient goes home very empowered and very supported.
Yes, good morning, primary. Is it good morning? Yeah, still good morning. Good morning?
Good morning, dear teacher William.
I know this has been one of the challenges.
We believe communities can drive their change. when empowered with the right information. The Paralegal program is a community approach. Mulindwa is a teacher by profession. He has a community.
Put here a pointer, draw an arc.
He has a school community, he has a medical community, he has ability to draw people to himself.
Draw a line which is diagonal.
When he's not in his classroom, we knew that he would be a resource of reaching people that need to be comforted, that need to be advised. With his knowledge about laws and legal procedures, it helps him be a better teacher and worker for his community.